I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hi guys! Look at who I ran into.
Oh, what's up?
Wisconsin.
Hey, Wisconsin and LA? That's crazy.
United? What?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're going to be shooting around Venice. If you guys don't know his way, amazing photographer from Wisconsin. Basically, he just moved out to LA. He stays like kind of close to Venice, so we're like, you know what? Let's meet up. Let's shoot. So we're in Venice. It's a beautiful day to shoot. We have Big Surge right here. Maybe get a couple flicks at him. Other than that, we're just gonna walk and see what we run into. It'll be like behind the scenes, shoot with us kind of day, vlog. Happy Vlogmas, by the way. If you guys don't know the schedule, I'm posting every other day instead of every day, because Vlogmas does tend to get super hectic and I don't want to be stressed, and I'm already stressed and December hasn't even started yet. So stay tuned for some videos and keep on watching. I know.
I always forget my speaker, bro. Yeah, I like that. Hold that and look up at me.
Oh my gosh, I love the background. Yes, LA vibes.
Dude, I love it here so much.
Right?
You better watch out.
I know, literally. It's a little sunny out today. A little funny. The weather's like perfect. This is everything.
Oh, I want to run that tent. Dude, I had to just stand on the tent.
Damn, this sun is fucking great.
Roll your shoulders. You can face it. You know, like play with your chain too. We'll get like a full
I was gonna ask him if we could take a picture on the fucking wall. He said you can't come in. I was like, I have a question. And he was like, you can't come in. I was like, but I have a question. He said, you can't come in. Man,
He already knew.
I know. She got a good voice. Okay, we're heading to the courts now. Get some flicks for Big Surge right here. Got to fake dunk some for people because the courts are technically closed. They have like bars and shit on the rim, so you can't really do it, but you know, you gotta fake it till you make it. So sun's going down, we got a dope ass background, got a basketball, and that's all we need, man.